Hello guys and welcome back to my Stefugly channel, and today we are going to make a video. We're gonna make a quiz in Scratch because you guys liked the Scratch tutorials and the quizzes the most. So we are going to make these. So first we want to make the question. So I'm gonna make mine math related, but you guys can make it different. So 6 plus 4 equals 16. So let's try this. Then you want to do x equals blank. You can make your question different, but mine's just like this for now. Then we're going to make a big rectangle option. And question. Oh, and by the way, if you need more time, then you can just pause if you want to. So what we're gonna do is to make a big rectangle, but not bigger than half of the whole entire thing. So let's try. What can we do? I think this is a good size. And we're gonna make the colors. I'm gonna make this darker. So, okay, I think 4 is not great. Okay, I think 10 is good. Then we're gonna shrink it a little bit. That's better. Now let's specifically name this option 1. Then option 2. Let's make this a blue color. So I'm gonna do 60. Then we're gonna duplicate this once again. I know. We're gonna color this yellow. You can do any color you want. Just make sure it's we're gonna talk about the text later. So now we're gonna do green for this one. I think 32 is okay. Then we want to add in the text. So let's say the option will be 7. That's what your text is gonna be. And let's make it white. So that's why we want to fill it with entire colors, so that we want to make it. So option 2 is going to be different than the all other options. Same with all the other options. So option 1 is going to be different than the other options. Option 2 is going to be different than the other options. Option 3 is going to be other options. Then option 4 is the same thing, like literally. Then we're gonna make this 6. Then we're gonna make this 5. You can make yours different if you want. Yeah, it's fine if you don't want to make algebra questions. I just did these because I feel like it. So you can make different questions if you want to. Then we're going to simply rename this variable called question number, and set question number to let's add a pick random to 1 to 1 and 1 click. Okay, then switch costume to question number. Then we're gonna do this, the same thing, but remove this. Then forever, we're going to do this stuff. Then we're gonna make 2 messages. Correct, which will go. I'm gonna say, let's do here. Then we're gonna do wrong, and we're gonna do a question number. Actually, no. Let's do the wrong. And let's put these in here. So what else we want to do with option 2, since it is correct, we want to go with this. Then So we're gonna do this. But make sure your question and answer are both correct. Because, so say if you accidentally did say you accidentally did this. And what will happen is that not a lot of people might not like your game, and you might simply not get a lot of likes because of that mistake. So make sure it's a question you know, and it's correct. A better way you can tell is I would test it to make sure you didn't do anything wrong, so be safe. Now we're gonna add two variables, points. And so my game for this quiz will be to see how much points you can get. So we're gonna do time. So I'm gonna do timer for this one, and we're gonna put the timer up here. And by the way, you can make your game different than this. It's kind of boring, but whatever. Then we're gonna so this is going to be the other stuff. So when broadcast correct, we're going to change points by 1. Then if the answer is wrong, then we're going to change points by -1. And then when clicked forever, set timer to 60 minus timer. The timer is actually more useful than you think. So we're gonna say if timer is so let's say 0 is bigger than time. Actually, no, let's do 0.02. So we don't see any negative timers around here. Actually, no, not negative, 0.02. 0.02. If you want to do timer like this one, then you can do that. But if you know how to code other games that's associated with the code, then you can do that too. So then we're gonna stop all. Then we're gonna add a new thing called highest points. Then here there's something you can do with this. So if you align it correct, then you can actually have something like this. Then let's set highest points to. Then if points is bigger than highest points, then we're gonna set highest points to points, and make sure you set your points to 0 and not highest points. Oh, check this out. That's nice. So the timer is clearly working here. So you technically have less than a minute because how much time I gave you. Yeah. Okay, then let's add in more questions. So I'm gonna add 3 more. So, nice. Okay, so you want to duplicate. Then we're gonna add more questions. So let's do 5x equals 2x plus 15. So let me think here. No, I don't think there is an answer. Yeah, I don't think there is. Oh no, there is actually. Never mind. Okay, so I'm gonna make red the correct option here. By the way, if you guys watch this, I'm not gonna actually share it. Actually, no, I think I will. So 7. Then we're gonna do 4 here. And we're gonna do, let's see, 5, 7, 4. I'm gonna make this 9. Then question number equals 2, then we're gonna do that. Then, oh, I think I gotta go. I'll see you in part 2.